Hello viewers, again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video we're going to show you the amazing artistic craftic ideas of handcrafted things. So this video gives you the take you to the world of crafting world for everyone. Even children wants to do that, even who wants to do this type of things, the school project and many more ideas. In this video you will get with the paper craftic ideas. So colorful paper ideas gives you the mental health, to improve your mental health. We describe in one video the designs of very beautiful designs of every home's need, everyone who is watching this video. The designs are very beautiful and interesting. So these designs gonna give you the best vibes and best ideas for a school project. And if you want to love crafting, create something. If you want to love craft, you will get the best ideas and the best in this video. People who know the importance of craft and is very healthy for mind, they will definitely loved with it. These these crafting ideas, paper craft ideas will get you the world of very beautiful artistic craft ideas. So thank you so much for watching. We are trying to bring the best and beautiful, amazing collection for you. So hope you enjoy these designs, hope you enjoy the ideas. If you love to do craft, if you love to do something different and craftic, we will definitely must try to give you the best collection. Take a paper and roll. Make something make something different and make something unique. This video getting with the world of very beautiful crafty collection. So make some unique, add some healthy things, add some unique things. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. And tell me about what do you feel about that, how you think about that. And I think you must like it because these designs are very interesting and very beautiful. So hope you can see that this Christmas craft is energetic, will gives you the mind, it will give you the very beautiful mindset. So tell me about what do you want to watch. If you want to get some details about these crafting ideas, so tell me in the comment section. We will definitely give you the crafting ideas and beautiful designs for everyone who is watching this. And thank you so much for your amazing response, and we will give you the best ideas and best vibes. And it shows your love and prosperity and your dignity. Thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. We will give you the more and more beautiful ideas. So what do you think about that? How you feel about that? These designs are definitely good for you or not? I will definitely try to bring the best and beautiful ideas for everyone who is watching this. So beautiful viewers and subscribers, tell me about your situation and tell me about the crafting ideas. What do you want to watch? If you want to watch more designs like this, so viewers, please tell me about what is these type of craft. You do like it or not? make a centerpiece and make some craft with your child, and take some beautiful crafting ideas and make a beautiful craft with it. After that, make a centerpiece of your children craft. It will enhance her performance, and they want to do something extra beautiful. If you want to get more designs like this, so don't forget to subscribe. We will definitely try to upload. Thank you so much for watching. In this video we showed very beautiful and energetic ideas. So thank you so much for watching. We gives you the best ideas and best vibes. I will definitely try to bring the best and beautiful ideas. Thank you for your amazing response.